Governo parceria com a União Europeia inclui o UNDP Timor-Leste, avalia projeto transformação digital, nebe focaliu lei no direito cidadão.
Projeto ne honarang dalang digital, a new path for digital citizenship in Timor-Leste. Reunião ni halau ya salang nobre Ministério Negócio Estrangeiro no Cooperação Pantai Kalapa Tersane. Tu embaixador União Europa ba Timor-Leste, Torsten Fred katak, projeto ne objetivo makatulur e avanço ba digitalização e nação ida. Laos red ba infraestrutura digital, mas vemos ba legislação direito cidadão siraniang no serviço hamutuk entre entidades sira e governo.
As the European Union, together with our implementing partner, the United Nations Development Programme, to review the first progress of the DLAN Digital project. The aim of the project is to bring forward digitalization in the country, not just the infrastructure, but rather to look at legislation, the rights of citizens, the cooperation of various government institutions, because this is a big step for the country towards a digital future here.
Ya sorin seluk representante UNDP Timor-Leste, Katina Argueta Dehan, reunião ne discuti com a mecanismo implementação do projeto transição, onde hareba progresso transformação digital em Timor-Leste.
Today we are gathering together to do what is called the project board meeting. This is a project in partnership with the European Union and the government of Timor-Leste, represented by the Ministry of Transport and Communication, the Ministry of Justice, and the Ministry of State Administration. So all these three institutions came together essentially to start to implement what is going to be the digital transition for Timor-Leste. And this is extremely important. In this precisely moment, Timor-Leste has joined the ASEAN. And it's really a very big step in order to start to reach the international standards. This is certainly something that, as at some point even the Vice Minister of Foreign Affairs pointed out, is going to be important, not just to try to get some investment to the country, but also to promote the sustainable development.
Projeto ini atu facilita cidadão Timor-Leste sira ba cartão eletrônico digital no pagamento imposto, trata documento sira, registro lihusi internet. Governo Timor-Leste mos planeia lihusi estratégia transformação digital, hakarak transforma serviço público hotuba digital. Marcos Falo, STL News.